Y'all, I literally set this camera over here. Okay, I set the camera over here to vlog, and then I started removing my makeup without hitting record. I gotta get used to this. Like, I'm not. But these are Studio Selection Sensitive Skin Wipes for removing makeup. I get them from the dollar store. I'm not that picky about a wipe. Just make sure sensitive skin, no added fragrances or chemicals, and I'll be fine. But I use about 2 of these when I'm wearing like heavy makeup, and today I filmed a video. It's quite the process, quite the transformation. Okay. All right, that'll do it. So makeup removed on the surface. So you have to continue to clean. It ain't done. You're not finished. And y'all know I got a lot of frames right now because the time is coming. Dot. And then go in. Oh gosh, this is just so great. So then I take my scrubbing brush and I go in and just, this is my favorite part. And I scrub the heck out of my face. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And you might recognize this brush. It's actually supposed to be for like feet and stuff, but I use it for my face because every other brush that I've tried for faces, it's not rough enough. And I kind of like, I want very hard bristles. Like I want it to be a little rough on my skin. I hate to sound that harsh, but I do. Like I want hard scrubbing. So I use this. Just wash my brush out and then I rinse off. And we are all clean. All right, let's move. Drying off my face, I use paper towels because they don't have as much bacteria as like towels and stuff. I actually recommend drying off your face with paper towels. And then I get 2 cotton balls, and I'm taking my Dickinson's Witch Hazel. Sea Breeze is good too. I used to use that, but I stopped seeing it at the store. I don't know why. But I use this on my face. This basically gets what is like absolutely left over, you know? It's like the last step of all as far as like cleansing. I just really want to clean. Make sure you get up by your lace because you can get bumpy up there. And there's like always leftover makeup by the lace. So I get up there. If my lace lifts because of it, I don't care. Like I want to get the makeup out. I'll just relay my lace. Alright, so skin is dry. Now I'm going to moisturize and do my serums. So I use the Pharmacy, what is it? Oil-free gel moisturizer. I mix some of this. And I take a small amount of coconut oil from Palmer's. Take a little bit of this. Put both in my hand. And I mix them together. And this smells so good together. And I put it like all over my face, neck, and chest, shoulders, forearms, just everything. Then I take some, what is this again? The Vitamin C Beauty Night Concentrate Serum, Sea Lavender Jojoba. It's jojoba oil in here. I take that. Put that on. Alright, I found it. This is the Mine Tan Body Skin. It's Hydro Glow Sleep Serum with hyaluronic acid. I'm almost out, but I take 2 pumps of this and I add that on too. I'm gonna cut it for the night. I'm about to go eat some soup and then I'm gonna watch some Netflix. And y'all don't want to see me watch Netflix. It gets real extra comfortable and just hanging loose. I don't want to see that. Check in with y'all tomorrow. What's up, guys? Good morning. Oh, it's Monday. I told myself that starting today, I said this last Monday. Literally, I was talking to myself because I talk to myself. Told myself I would start working out every day, 7 days a week, every day when I wake up for at least 30 minutes. So I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm gonna do it. And today is the start. All right, what's up, y'all? I promise that workout was not as short as it seems. No, I didn't do like an extensive workout, but it was longer than what you saw, but it wasn't that heavy either because, you know, I'm just easing my way back into this stuff. But I'm not doing a lot of cardio, honestly. I'm just doing I have weights, so I do a lot of weightlifting and then like, you know, toning, squatting, resistance type things. Cause I don't want to really lose a lot of weight. I do stuff internally for that to lose unnecessary fat, but I'm not trying to lose a whole bunch of weight because I like my weight. I'm just trying to tighten, snatch, tone, secure the weight. But yeah, as you can see, I look a little different. That's because my wig is off. I'm about to re-secure this, so I'm gonna walk you guys through that process. Yeah, it's time to get the wig on because I'm actually in the middle of a TikTok. In my next scene, I have to like be fully dressed, hair, makeup, all that. So let's finish this TikTok.
How cold do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I
it took me like 4 hours because I was just trying to get it so perfect. Like my perfection strive was making me take so long. And the TikTok that I want to complete is like, it's a morning TikTok. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and like finish it, and then I'm gonna like save it to my phone, and I'm gonna just post it tomorrow morning. But I mean, I'm happy everything came out cute, but, and I don't know y'all, tonight I kind of want some Jamaican food. As of right now, let me just go ahead and get dressed and finish this TikTok. Can't believe it took me 8 years. 8 years. What's up, y'all? So I finally finished the TikTok. I don't know if I'm going to post it tomorrow morning though, because I really needed to post a TikTok today. And like the TikTok that I just posted today, I did it in the outfit that was supposed to be used for the one in the morning. So I'm just like, okay, at least I have the wig laid. So I'll probably do that tomorrow, but I have to come up with something else to wear, because honestly I don't have anything to wear. I haven't ordered anything in a while. I don't have any new clothes, so I'm just gonna have to throw something together and make it cute. But I have been working so hard, and this is just not the inclusion of vlogging. Like now that these other platforms are implemented into like my regular filming routine, it's just like I am really experiencing what content creators are talking about, and it is exactly what they say. Like it is a lot, but this is the thing, I have fun while doing it, and I really pray, because this is what I want to do, so I really pray that it stays that way. Like I just want it to be like this. Like I just want it to be fun, you know. It is a lot of work, and you know, carrying a light from here to there, you know, it's just like work, but I be having fun. I'm cracking myself up, and y'all know I'm a nutcase. I'm crazy. But yeah, like I'm just having fun, and you know, I'm just looking forward to the future. Sorry. Make sure y'all check out last week's vlog, okay? And make sure y'all check out my TikTok. It's the same name as my Instagram. I'll put it down below, or maybe on the screen. But yeah, make sure y'all check it out. But I might, if I don't see y'all later on tonight, then I will see y'all tomorrow, okay? It's time for food, and Kenny on the game, and I'm just like, you hungry? Like, you not hungry? Because I'm trying to eat. All right, y'all. She disappeared across the board.